This is a video for how to find and download and place your T9 Automoblocks parts in Autodesk Inventor. So within your courses, you're going to come over and find your Introduction to Engineering Design Teacher Guide. And when I click on that, let's just come over to the search function and just go to T9. The Automoblocks card is called the T9 Automoblocks card. Just hit T9 and hit enter. And the first option you're going to get is Automoblocks T9 files. And you can click on that. And you'll find in Teacher Resources it says Automoblocks T9 Inventor Assembly or the T9 part files. What we want is just the part file. So we're going to click on that and it's going to download into a zip folder. So what I would do is I would click on my zip folder and you're going to find the part files sitting right here. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to click on this folder full of the part files and I'm going to drag them onto my desktop and I'm going to leave them there. So when I click on desktop, and I go back, I can see T9 Automoblocks Inventor parts. And when I double click, here's all the parts sitting right there. So let's go to Autodesk Inventor, and I've already created the car. So I'm going to get out of each one of these. I'm going to get out of each one of my sub-assemblies. This is kind of where we're headed. And I'm going to get out of those, and I'm going to go up to Projects. And what you can do is you can go to New, and it's going to be a single user. And go to Next. And you can call this, T9 Automoblocks. You can call it whatever you want. But I'll call this T9 Automoblocks. Now over on the right-hand side, before I say Enter, I want to click on these three dots. Because what I want to do is go to my desktop. And I want to scroll down until I see what I just downloaded, T9 Automoblocks Inventor Parts. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to say OK. And I'm going to go to Finish. And I should see a check mark next to what I just placed. You can see C drive users. There's my name and my desktop. If I go to my X right here and I go to Open, and I double click on my parts, I should come back into here real quick. I was in a little bit of a different one over here. I can go back to my T9 Automoblocks Inventor Parts, and here I am. I can go to my 7.0 right in here where I downloaded, find those parts, and then I can actually, just start placing them. I can go to Open, start placing them. I can open them up. I can go to File and create for myself, a new assembly and start placing parts for my assembly. When I double click in here and say Open, there's my parts for my assembly. So that's where you find the parts, how you download them, place them, and create a project folder based upon downloaded parts within Autodesk Inventor.